Daniel and Mickey, a 4-0 victory for Heerenveen. What a match, Daniel.
Yeah, it was a really good game for us. We play very well and we win 4-0, and I think it's that we deserve this victory, and it was really important for us because we didn't have a victory from last year, and now we play at home and against AZ, and it was a really good game.
Ja, belangrijke overwinning dus. 4 wedstrijden niet gewonnen in eigen huis. Nu weer een keertje wel. Daniel, about your penalty kick. It was a really high-risk penalty, wasn't it?
No, it was a goal, and in that moment I feel that was the best solution, and I decided to shoot like that, and on my lucky it was in.
We call it a Panenka penalty. How do you call it?
Yeah, also.
Mickey, on the pitch you are two good friends, but also in real life. Can you tell something about that?
Translate for him.
Sure.
Pitate, mi smo izvan smo dobri prijatelji i na igralištu smo isto dobri prijatelji. Možeš šta reći o tome?
Pa mislim da je to jedna od stavki, da se igra dobro, dobra atmosfera koju smo mi unijeli u ekipu. Mislim da smo odigrali veoma dobru utakmicu, da je svako od igrača dao 100% svojih mogućnosti i da smo došli do željenog što smo htjeli pre utakmice.
Difficult to translate, but I will try. Yeah, he said that it was a very good game from us, and we play very well, and that was normal. We know how to play together. We understand each other, and it was easy to play today.
Yeah. But how important is he for you? How important?
Koliko sam ja važan za tebe u igri?
Pa veoma mi je važan, jer ja ne govorim baš dobro ni engleski, a kamoli holandski. Mislim da mi dosta pomaže u toj komunikaciji sa ostalim fudbalerima i nema šta.
He said that I'm very important for him because I can translate for him because he don't speak so good English, and I can lead him on the field, and that was very important for him. And we have good communication, and it's easy for him when I'm on the field.
Oké, het blijkt dus duidelijk dat Pranjic zeer belangrijk is voor Sulejmani, zowel op als buiten het veld. Want ze kunnen elkaar goed vinden in het veld, maar ook in het gewone leven helpen ze elkaar omdat ze dezelfde taal spreken. How do you explain that this match went so well, Daniel?
I don't know. AZ is a very good team, but today they didn't play very well, and I don't know. It was a very easy winning for us, and of course very important. But I think they also have a problem with Alves, and that's little, I don't know. But I don't want to talk about that. I think that's a problem for us, and not for us. For us, it's only important that we take 3 points today and we go further.
Oké, hij denkt dat misschien het verhaal Alves toch ook wel een beetje meespeelt in de kopjes bij AZ. Maar het maakt hun niet zo heel veel meer uit. Ze kunnen ook zonder Alves winnen. En dat lijkt dus ook wel duidelijk naar de wedstrijd van vandaag. Final question, the top 5. Well, it's quite logical that you're gonna be there, right?
Yeah, we hope so, but we will see. We go now step by step. Next game is against Venlo, and that's also important for us to win that game, and we will see. I hope so that we can be in top 5.
De verwachting is dus dat ze wel bij die top 5 zullen eindigen, helemaal als ze zo spelen. Mickey, can you say something in Dutch?
Moeilijk. Iets moeilijk.
Mooi doelpunt vandaag?
Ja, mooi doelpunt.
Dankjewel.
Mooi goal.
Thanks. Dankjewel jongens. Dankjewel. Ciao.